What's going on, guys? It's P, and I'm back with another tutorial. But before we go any further, please be sure and hit that subscribe button so that we can stay in touch. Okay, here we go. Milk makeup. We're using the Hydro Primer today. And this primer I actually really like because it's very moisturizing and it has a really nice grip for your foundation. Next, we're going to be using NYX Micro Liner Pencil for my eyebrows. And I'm just going to be filling those in, and it takes a little minute, so I'm probably going to cut this off. But go ahead and set your brows with some brow gel. Today I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, and I'm cleaning up with NARS Radiance Concealer. And I'm also going to be adding a little of that over my eyelid and setting it with some Smashbox Halo Powder. That's just for my eyeshadow prep. Under my eyes today, I'm using the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I've had it for a while, but I just haven't used it. And I'm also using Giorgio Armani foundation. It's a silk foundation, and this foundation is like for real, the bomb. Look at my skin. It still looks like skin. And you all know, like, I am faithful to my Maybelline highlighter concealer. And I'm going to be setting my under eyes with a little Pro Touch powder. And we're going straight into contour. Then we're going to blend out our contour, olive browns. Move that brush, baby. And then we're going to blend out our nose. Yes, ma'am. And we're going to set our highlight with the Midnight Banana Powder. And you all know how I feel about Morphe Blogger. So I put that in my hollows of my cheek and basically just set all of my contour with this powder. And then I get my big brush and I blend. I'm going to be using the Gigi Gorgeous blush palette. And I put a little bit over my eyelids. And we're going to be putting on a little eyeshadow. It's a creamy eyeshadow. And today I'm going to be wearing wings. So I'm winging out this eyeliner. And then I'm going to tightline. I'm going to apply Il Makiage mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And I'm going to be wearing Eylure strip lashes today. This is a struggle for me. But we get them on eventually. Okay, let's curl it. Let's stick them all together. Yes, ma'am. Yes. We're going to be using Liquid Glow highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this stuff. I just put a little dab, where I want my highlight. Blend this out with the blender. Okay, so this is the Huda Beauty highlighter. I'm going to be just applying a little bit of the shade on top of the Liquid Glow. And look at that pop. Oh my God. Like you can literally see yourself in my highlight. Yes, go to work, girl. Go to work. Yes, and just set all of that with some setting spray. I'm going to be using my Tarte Stay Spray. And for my lip today, I'm just going to be lining my lips, and then I'm going to be using a lipstick that I do not know the name of because the name has worn off. But I am going to use my Infallible liquid lipstick. And I'm lining my lips with just with a liner, and I would give you the shade of this lipstick, but it has worn off. But you know that I do love my infallible liquid lipstick. And today I think I want to be a little bit more shiny, sparkly, so I'm using Becca Glow Gloss on top of my lips. So there you have your lippy, yes, and we're done. So if you guys are interested, please go and hit the notifications button so that every time I post something, you will know about it first. And thank you guys so much for coming to watch my channel. I love you and have a great one. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace.